Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome to this C# tutorial. In this tutorial series, you will learn how to code in C# using Visual Studios. So before we can start, I will have to ask you to install Visual Studios and make sure you have the console.net framework installed. So I will make another video how explaining how you can download that, but that's for later. Uh, right now I just wanna start. Okay, so once you have the .NET framework installed, you just have to go to here, to the screen, which is just the Visual Studio 2019 home screen. And once you're here, you can just press create a new project. Now, normally you won't have anything here on the left side. I do have some things here because I already worked with C#. But normally you will have a whole row of random things here, and it's just like templates in Word or PowerPoint. You have templates in Visual Studios, but it's not templates, it's actually coding languages. So as you can see, there's C#, there's different versions, and the one we will use is this one, the console app, and then make sure you have the .NET framework. Don't choose the .NET Core because then you will have a bit of problems. And also make sure there's the picture with the C# here and not a VB because that's also the wrong one. Okay, so double click, and here you can make a project name. Let's call it Creeper tutorial, and then you can choose where you want to save it. And this is all good, don't have to touch this. And then all you have to do is press create. Visual Studios will then start up and you will be greeted with this screen. So I will zoom in a bit by pressing Ctrl and my scrolling wheel, so you guys can see the code better in a minute when we start coding. But first let me explain a little bit about the interface. So on top you have the menu bar. We don't use this very often, except for when we have to here, for example, our file, we can create a new file, we can open a file, and we can save or do other fun stuff. And then you have all of these things. What most of these do are they customize your view. They do some stuff you have the debug here, which we will learn about later, but not right now. Okay, so then here beneath the file and edit and stuff like that, this is the button to start your program. You can press it for now, but as you can see, it doesn't really do anything. Okay, my antivirus is actually saying something, but it's just, you can see when you press start, nothing is happening because we actually haven't written any code yet. So yeah. On the right, you will have a solution explorer. We will not touch this right now because that's for later. And you will also have the properties, but we will also not touch this. If you don't have the Solution Explorer, you can go into Windows and press Reset Window Layout, and normally it should pop up again. Also, if you drag this around, because you can customize your view, if you drag it here and you go to Windows and press Reset Window Layout, it will appear back there where it used to be. So that's if you do something and you don't know what you did with the layout, just go to Window and press Reset Window Layout. This concludes the first video of this C# tutorial series. Thanks for watching, guys. Leave a like on the video, maybe even subscribe if you feel like subscribing, and maybe even hit the bell button. And be sure to hit me up with some comments if you have any problems with Visual Studios or your code in the future. just hit me up in the comments or in the Discord, which will be in the description. Bye.